things is, you can see there's this machine here. If any of the bags fail or tear, they come over here, they tear open the bag, they basically just drop it into this hopper, throw away the bag, and then you can see it goes up and it gets reintroduced to the line over there and goes through the drying process and comes back. Probably one of the coolest things about this factory is nothing gets wasted. If there's a failure at any point in the process, the material just gets reintroduced to the process somewhere else. So this is pretty cool. They used to do this all by hand, and you can see all the bags coming down. And then there's a suction robot that basically stacks the pallet all day long. Now watch, I believe it'll lift it and it'll twist this one. So every other one, nope, got put on, oh, it does two. And this one here, so you see there's a stacked pallet of them right next to it. So just so that you're not stacking these so they can all fall, kind of interlocks them, interlaces them. Yeah, so that one there turned, and you can see, then it interlaces them. So. Those bags just keep on coming. And then it gets loaded up there, and then you can see they have the full pallet here. And then these are waiting to come down for very special forklift here, made to do nothing but handle so each one of those stacks is 48 bags. Takes them away and loads the truck. All right, so see the fork truck there, but before we take a walk down there, these are all of the additives heavily stockpiled here. You don't want to have to shut down the line because you ran out of stuff to put it in. So you can see the forklift there. He goes and grabs them. You know what's interesting is I walk by here and you can see there's a bunch of proper vents, Duravent, a bunch of attic vents. These are all just here, so they'll go out with a truck if the contractor is calling for, you know, some vent chutes or whatever. But yeah. You can take a walk down here. You can see there's the truck actually being loaded down there. So I'm told about 1,000 bags are getting put on there. Remember, each one of those is 48, so it only takes about 10 rows because each one of those is worth just around 100. You know, 96. So you can see we were here earlier. They were just starting to load that one, and that one was full. So yeah, 10 to 12 trucks a day, I'm told, leave the factory loaded up just like that. But one day, actually, here comes the forklift. So you can see them transporting material. And in it goes. Going to somebody's house. Wanted to take a walk over here because they showed me a couple of parts. These are kind of all of their replacement parts for some of the machinery we couldn't see on the inside. So, you know, this is one of those wheels that is ripping and shredding the material and kind of fluffing it. And then this is another one. I think this is the one that goes in that hammer. You can see it's just basically shreds it all. And somewhere he showed me, I don't know where it was, but he had the casing to it showing, oh, it's right here. This is the casing that one operates in. So those cellulose parts, as it gets ripped around and ripped and shredded, when it's small enough, it flies through those holes. So anyways, hopefully you enjoyed that. I want to thank my good friends out here at New Wool for giving me the opportunity to come out and share their story. So there you are, New Wool Premium Cellulose Insulation. I'm Steve Basic Architect. Until next time, long live our buildings.